delicious. Do you like to eat curry noodles?
If you've got leftover curry at home like me, why not transform it into a tasty bowl of curry noodles? Today, I'll be using potato curry to make crispy curry fried noodles. It's super convenient and delicious. Crispy fried noodles in curry soup, crunchy at first, then soaking up the rich, aromatic broth to become tender and bursting with bold curry flavor. Absolutely delicious. Friends who don't enjoy fried noodles can simply use their favorite type of noodles instead. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: fried miswa curry potatoes, cabbage, tomato, vegan seafood tofu, traditional tofu, corn kernels. Ingredients are totally flexible, just add whatever you like to eat. Cut tofu into small cubes. Tofu soaks up the rich curry broth beautifully, becoming flavorful and aromatic with every bite. Its soft texture perfectly complements the bold spices, making it a deliciously satisfying addition to the dish. Shred the cabbage into small pieces. After washing, its crisp texture and natural sweetness pair perfectly with the rich curry broth, creating a delicious harmony of flavors. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, making it a nutritious boost for immunity and digestion. Adding tomatoes to curry soup brings natural sweetness and acidity that balances the spices, while their umami richness deepens the overall flavor. The tomatoes packed in also helps thicken the broth slightly for a more luxurious texture. Plus, they add a vibrant color that makes the dish even more appetizing. Vegan seafood tofu cut half. Let's start cooking. Pan-frying plant-based seafood tofu unlocks a golden crisp exterior while enhancing its savory aroma, adding another layer of texture to the delicate interior. Sauteing tomatoes before adding them to the curry deepens their natural sweetness and umami, creating a richer, more complex flavor base as they caramelize and meld seamlessly with the spices. Add cabbage and stir-fry together. Stir-frying the cabbage before adding it to the curry enhances its natural sweetness and adds a smoky depth, while keeping a slight crunch for texture contrast in the creamy sauce. Add a bowl of water. Adjust to reach your perfect curry consistency. Add curry potatoes and bring it to the boil. Adjusting the thickness of your curry broth unlocks richer flavors. The perfect consistency lets every ingredient shine while intensifying the spice blend. Add corn kernels. I love tossing them in because it gives that delicious Japanese curry vibe. The curry broth should be seasoned slightly saltier on its own. Once the noodles soak in, all the flavors will balance out perfectly. The aroma of curry fills the air, making my stomach growl with hunger. Add soft tofu. Last simmer just 2 to 3 minutes to keep its delicate texture while letting it soak up the curry broth. Overcooking makes it crumble, but perfectly heated tofu melts in your mouth with spiced richness. Arrange the fried noodles in serving bowls and ladle the prepared curry soup over top. The golden crispy fried rice vermicelli, thin as strands of hair, releases an alluring fragrance after deep frying. The fried mention is incredibly thin and crispy with an irresistible aroma. When you pour the curry directly over it, the noodles gradually soften. You get to enjoy both the crisp texture and the tender strands soaked in rich curry broth, creating an amazingly delicious flavor. An easy way to transform leftover curry into something new and delicious. The perfect quick fix when you're busy. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. I'm truly grateful to friends who shared their thoughts on my use of names like vegetarian fish or vegetarian chicken for plant-based dishes in my videos. I've reflected on this for a long time and would like to share my perspective. These names are simply meant to help meat eaters understand and accept vegetarian food more easily, as the dishes are still fundamentally made from plant-based ingredients like tofu or wheat gluten. As long as one does not cling to the idea of actual meat or harbor any intention of killing, it does not contradict the essence of vegetarianism. Buddhism teaches that a pure mind brings purity to all things. What truly matters is the intention behind the practice, not the surface-level naming. Perspectives on vegan food naming. For example, vegan chicken, vegan fish, or vegan meat opinions vary, and we respect all viewpoints. These names help consumers recognize flavors while sparking cultural discussions. The key is clear ingredient labeling for informed choices. Whether traditional or creative, the goal is promoting plant-based diversity. Embracing different needs makes veganism more accessible. Respect differences. Deliciousness wins. TL. The R. Agree to disagree taste rules. Crispy fried vermicelli originated in southern Fujian as a traditional method to preserve staple food. Fishermen deep-fried leftover rice noodles for voyages, accidentally creating the crispy texture. It served as military rations during the Kinmen battle, later spreading to Taiwanese households. 80. The 1980s night market culture transformed it into a soup-based street food. Today, its signature contrast of crispness and tenderness defines the dish. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian. Do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian. Do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian. Mainly vegetarian. Occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.